Hello, friends! Today we will learn about good manners.
Good morning, everyone. Always brush your teeth 2 times, morning and at night. Always wash your hands before and after every meal. Clean hands keep the germs away. Always eat your food properly. Always throw garbage inside the bin and keep your surroundings clean. It's easy and fun.
Here you go. Always say please if you need something. It's the polite way to ask.
Plants give us oxygen. Do not pluck them.
Always wear headphones while listening to music or talking in public places. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.